The price of this book is $7.99, and if we go to the Amazon royalty calculator and we type in 7.99, you can see that the estimated royalty is $2.64 per sale, and this book has a ranking of 1,435, which is translated to 1,697 sales per month. So this book is making over $4,400 every single month. So how this author did that, and how can you do something similar? So if we click inside the book, you can see that the design is not complicated. So it's not too easy to create, but it's not impossible or too difficult, and actually it doesn't require a designing experience or something like that. So look to these designs, and I'm going to show you a free way to create something similar to this for free and very fast. So firstly, I'm going to go to Pixabay, which is a website that provide millions of royalty-free images and videos, and I'm going, for example, to type dog and choose here illustrations and enter. So as you can see, we have many different illustrations, some of them ready for a coloring book and some of them are still not. So I choose this dog right here. For example, I'm going to click on free download here and download it and download. And by the way, here it's written that is free to use under the Pixabay license, no attribution is required. So then after downloading this image, I'm going to Canva, click on custom size, change to inches, and type in 8.5 by 11 inches and create new design. Then I'm going to drag the image that I have just downloaded here like this, and then insert it on the page like this. So now as you can see, it's colored and it's not ready for a coloring book page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the image, click on edit the image, and then I will choose this option here where it's written photogenic and see all, and I'm going down to the mono. So here we have different black and white styles. Let's choose the classic, for example, and as you can see, it's now gray, black and white. So what I'm going to do next to make it ready for a coloring book, I'm going to click on edit the image again and then adjustment, and I'm going to increase the contrast, as you can see like this. So now this image, as you can see, is ready for a coloring book page. However, the ears maybe should be also white, because in the initial image, as you can see, we cannot see the outline of the ear very clearly. So you should choose the images that has clear outline for everything in the image, like this one. Or to have another more clear example, let's choose this one, for example, and download it for free here like this, and drag it here to the Canva. Then I'm going to insert it here like this, make it a little bit bigger, edit the image and choose photogenic, and go down to mono section and choose classic. Now it's black, gray and white. Then go again to edit the image and go to the adjustment and increase the contrast like this. So now as you can see, we have a pretty good image for a dog like this, which is pretty great, as you can see. So here, as you can see, we converted the colored image to black and white, and maybe there are better examples where the outline is more clearer. I have explained that in a high details video. You will find it in the description, talking about how to use Canva to create coloring book pages. And by the way, on Pixabay, you can even find some images like this one right here, which is ready for coloring page actually. So this one is already black and white and it's ready for a coloring page. So you can just download it, maybe add some text or some adjustment to look unique, and yeah, you can use it like this for free, very fast, very easily. So this way is one of the easiest way to create a coloring page and continue on Canva, for example, or any tool that you prefer. And by the way, an important warning that when I'm showing you the sales and the royalties, and this book is making thousands and this book is making 10,000 every single month, I'm not telling you that, oh, if you did what this author did and create similar book, you will get same results. No, it doesn't work like this. You just learn and are showing the royalties and the huge sales just to understand the demand on this market and understand that, oh, this niche has a very high demand, so I should maximize my chances for this niche. So yeah, to know how to create, to learn different ways on how to create a coloring book pages free and fast on Canva in different ways. Some of them paid, some of them are free. Click on this video right here.